Hello and welcome to another update video. We saw a little bit of a price increase here over the daily candle close of Ethereum. So we take a look at that. It's moving into the direction of the wave B target area, which is the primary expectation here. So this is good news. Yeah, so to fulfill here the overall expected price pattern, I would say. We talked about the alternative, the WXY, should we go below 15.15. So obviously we did hold the 15.15 and we even broke above the 16.48, which was the condition to, at least for now, dismiss the alternative WXY pattern that we talked about in the previous video. So no need at the moment to focus on it. It is still possible as a WXY pattern, but in reality then it doesn't really make a great difference to the ABC pattern here. So we can leave it as it is for now. Could be we might have to unpack it at a later stage, but at the moment I rather see the increase now into the yellow area that we talked about already, basically since we were down here at 14.25, which is fantastic. So looking overall here at this wave pattern, we can still see this was a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4 and a wave 5. And then we're now in this ABC pattern down, ABC. This is the primary expectation and this so far is working out. We can focus generally on this overall higher level wave pattern as long as we stay above $1,000 pretty much. This for me is, even though the green area here is the reversal area, it could obviously still go lower, but ideally we want to hold the $1,000 level because it's a psychological level and it is also quite a critical one. As you can see here, key support levels are holding here at around the $1,000 level. So if we lose this, then I think we're going to go below 880 and we'll also see new lows, maybe around the area of $660. But let's zoom in. First, people have always asked me here, what do I expect after the price goes into this region? Well, these areas are always reversal areas, so we expect a price reversal from this. So first of all, if I expect the price to get into this yellow area, I would expect a reversal from here into a wave C. And when we then get into this area, I would expect a reversal into a wave 3 to the upside. So this would then be the most bullish wave that I would primarily expect as soon as we reach this area. But therefore I will accumulate in this area as well. Yeah. So if we zoom in, this is currently how we can see it. Still, primary expectation was here that we are moving up in a wave B. It was looking difficult, but it was still primary expectation until we break below 15.15. Now you can see we are holding this, so no reason to shake around here with the or to dismiss this particular scenario. So we follow it. Overall here from the low at 14.25, we can say, all right, we probably moved up in an A wave. This was a B wave, and now we're moving up in a 1, 2, possibly here 1, 2. Now the wave 3, a 4 and a 5, yeah, to simplify it a little bit. And this is currently so far working out. We also made it above the previous high here. Yeah, this is important because with this move, we dismissed the alternative possibility of a straightaway breakdown in the WXY pattern that I showed you in the last video and the one before as the alternative possibility here. So yeah, no, it's so far working out. I said that we will probably get into the region of 1700. That would be the next target. And then from here into the region of 1770 and 1920. From here, then we would expect primarily the move to the downside. So if we do this, then there will be a short opportunity up here in the yellow area. This is for the wave B, the turning point. Short opportunity in the wave C. Now, I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just telling you what possible trade setups would be. I personally would not enter a short before we've seen a reliable wave 2. Yeah, because then we know basically with a high likelihood that we're already in the wave down. So this is what we are looking at here. It is still possible as the WXY pattern, but we would have to shift things around, and then it makes it very much aligned with the overall ABC pattern. So let me just take that out here to make it a bit more, to make it a bit clearer. So in the WXY pattern, which would suggest that from the high here, we came down in a wave W, moved up in an X, came down in a Y. And the wave W consists of an ABC, the wave X consists of an ABC, and the wave Y as well. In this pattern, we said, okay, should we go below 15.15 now? It's probably going to be this pattern that works out. And however, the end result would be the same. However, as we have obviously broken above this swing high, we can move this now higher. And that's good news because we have now confluence between this pattern and the other one I showed you. So we can shift this around and say, all right, the triangle pattern that we had here in the end was probably then this one. I mean, if we want to see it as a WXY, and you'll see now why it actually is all aligned. So yeah, we can count this then as the triangle, and that would suggest, okay, in the wave X, we saw wave A, we saw wave B, and we are now in the wave C. In the wave C, we could say, all right, we've possibly seen here a wave 1, we've seen a wave 2, we've seen a wave 3, a wave 4, and there would still be another wave 5 to the upside. Question is how long it will be. But the wave 3 came all the way up to 1675. So you would certainly expect the wave 5, to get above $1,700. Do we get to 1770 in this scenario? I don't know. Definitely keep an eye on this previous resistance at 1720. Yeah, this will be key resistance, and this could be the next chance for the price to reverse down. Always be aware that those corrective wave patterns, they are highly unreliable, especially if we are talking here about a wave B, like in the main scenario. Yeah, here now we would expect to push higher, but again, it could already be that we've done the wave 1, we've done the wave 2, the 3, the 4. There would only be one more wave up to 1720. So this is something to keep an eye on. First resistance 1720. If we get above that, then we might really reach that 1770 level or higher, as indicated in the main scenario. So we need to see next how the price is going to react to that 1720 level. Yeah, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.